There we go. Okay, so this might be the shortest instructional video ever made, but here we go. Lesson 2 is about key signatures. This first video is going to be about half steps and whole steps. It's kind of an easy concept to understand, but it's really, really important that you understand this first before we move on. So, this is really annoying. I'm going to use the piano to describe this to you. So, if you look at the keyboard, we have white keys and black keys. I'm sure you've noticed this before. And if we play chromatically up the keyboard, it sounds like this. Okay, each note is a half step in between the next one. Okay? That's what a half step is. It's a very small distance. It's the smallest distance you can really have between two notes, technically. Okay? And when we play a major scale, which I've written out for you on the keys, because I'm thorough like that, you see that we don't really deal with half steps. It sounds like this. Okay? So from do to re, see where I wrote it? There's a black key in between the two white keys, right? So there's two half steps in between the note, okay? Half step here and a half step here. That's a whole step. Re to mi, whole step. Mi to fa, they're right next to each other. That's a half step. Okay. You better really appreciate this. Okay, where was I? Fa to so, whole step. So la, whole step. La ti, whole step. Ti do, that's a half step. Okay? It's located right here because there's no black key in between it. See? Mi to fa and ti to do. I've illustrated it for you on this beautiful chart so you can see exactly where the half steps are in the major scale. Okay? Whole between mi and fa and ti and do. Okay? Now, when we're dealing with a minor scale, we start on la, so those half steps kind of get shifted to different locations within the scale. Okay? When we play it on the keyboard, la, ti, half step, whole step. Okay. And so on. So when you're looking at it, half steps occur between ti and do and mi and fa, just like in the major scale, but they're just in different places within the scale since we start on la. Okay? So again, half step, very small distance between two notes. Whole step, two half steps added together. Okay? And where they're located on the scale makes it major or minor. Okay? Makes it sound minor or makes it sound major. So, that's lesson 2A. Also, you should know that the air conditioning is not on right now, as well as the lights being on motion detectors, so just know that. Okay, well, I'm going to go downstairs and watch my kids perform in Cinderella, and I hope you have a good night and really appreciate this video.